All right, guys, so I have a marketing manager. I have a manager that runs my Instagram account because I don't like touching it, right? I have too many clients that I have to deal with, and I have too many outside priorities. So you know how you guys were asking about marketing and how you guys market your business? Teamwork is the most important thing, right? Get somebody that you know you're going to be able to work with in order to succeed within your business, right? You can't do everything by yourself. I'm telling you that right now. You simply cannot do everything by yourself. Whether you need a cameraman, whether you need a marketing manager, whether you need a finance person, you cannot do everything by yourself. So the first thing I want you guys to write down is build a team. If you have a business, make sure you are building a team.